The joint discomfort is usually common and is felt in hands, feet, hips, knees, or spine. The pain is either constant or may occur at different intervals. You may feel stiff, achy, or sore in the joint or will complain of burning, throbbing, or grating sensation. In the morning, there may be stiffness in the joint, but there may be comfort with activity and movement. Sometimes, too much activity can make the situation painful and worse. The joint pain may affect your joint's health and can stop you from performing day-to-day work. The extreme joint pain may have adverse effects on your quality of life, and the treatment should not only be pain-specific, but should also address affected activities and functions. The Ayurveda says that Vata imbalance or accumulation of toxins or ama result in joint pain, and an imbalance in the Vata dosha leads to excessive Vata formation. The Vata is associated with the movement that can pass to the joints and can result in tissue weakness, due to which tissues are undernourished, thus causing lubricant depletion which protects the joints. All this can result in stiffness and pain while moving the joints. Certain factors increase the risk of joint pain. Older age, being female, increased body weight particularly affects the knees. Socioeconomic status, injury or overuse of joints. Previous joint trauma particularly affects the knees. Muscle weakness, overweight, poor health, diabetic people, people with high cholesterol level. Joint pain causes osteoarthritis, a common type of arthritis that happens when the cartilage wears away, due to which the joint becomes painful and stiff. The disease is usually slow and is mostly found during middle age. Rheumatoid arthritis. The disease leads to pain and swelling in joints and mostly occurs in fingers and wrists. Gout. The painful condition when body crystals gather in the joint and cause severe pain and swelling. The condition usually occurs in big toes. Bursitis. The disease is caused due to extra stress on joints and is commonly found in the knee, elbow, or shoulder. Viral infections. Rash or fever may make joint movement painful. Injuries, such as broken bones or sprains. Tendinitis. Inflammation of tendons or the flexible bands connecting bones and muscles is known as tendinitis. It is usually found in the elbow, heel, or shoulder. There are many symptoms of joint pain and range from mild to complete disabling. The joint moves when there is no cartilage and the bones collide and rub against each other. The symptoms can include swelling, stiff or enlarged joint, numbness, noisy joints, or clicking, grinding or snapping sounds when moving the joint, painful movement, difficulty bending or straightening the joint, loss of motion, a red and hot and swollen joint. In India, the Ayurveda is considered one of the oldest systems of medicine, as it cures all diseases with the help of natural herbs with no side effects. The Ayurveda offers a complete cure for knee and joint pain and works for all age groups. The root cause of knee and joint pain according to Ayurveda is Vata dosha. The biggest benefit of Ayurvedic medicine is that it addresses and cures the root cause of the disease and rules out the resurgence of disease to a great extent. Here are some of Life Aveda herbal products that can help you to cure joint pain. Ortho Aid. Ortho Aid supports joint health so that you can enjoy your active lifestyle. The traditional herbs present in it protect and lubricate the joints and tissues. The Ortho Aid formula relieves aches and stiff muscles. It also enhances the grip and holds the capacity of weak hands. Boswellia curcumin. Boswellia has been proven to be effective against joint pains and promotes circulation of joints, improves flexibility, helps to reduce morning stiffness and swellings. Artho Aid Oil. Life Aveda's Artho Aid Oil is a wonderful remedy to cure the pain, inflammation and swelling in the bones, muscles and joints. This oil is a pure herbal formulation prepared for the well-being of the bones and joints in the body of all human beings, whether he is a child, young or elder. Joint pain causes inflammation and stiffness and may sometimes worsen the condition exponentially. The disease requires a holistic approach for the treatment, and Life Aveda has a complete solution for your knee and joint pain in the form of some of the vital Ayurvedic and herbal medicines that will address the root cause of your problem naturally, and that too without any side effects. I hope you like this video. For more such video, subscribe our channel and like, share the video. Press the bell icon for notification for our latest video. Thank you for watching.